making things, building things, pulling things apart, seeing how things work, putting broken things back together so they go. And that progressed from lawnmower engines and building go-karts to big machinery. Hey, my name's Mark Haughton. I'm a field service technician for Drummond and Etheridge based in Rolleston, Christchurch. The most rewarding part for me about being a John Deere technician is the daily interaction with the customers and utilising John Deere's full suite of tooling we have available for diagnosing and repairing machines.
Well, the last 2 days of testing has been good fun. Yeah, exciting, nerve-wracking, emotional at times. But no, good fun overall. Now, this award gives recognition for the hard work that we do day in, day out, keeping the John Deere product running.
Yeah, the advice I'd give to somebody wanting a career in the construction and forestry industry would be to work hard, take every opportunity that's presented to you, do as much training as you can, and give everything a go.